Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2012 Jeep Liberty. We got the parts in, and we've already started the heater core replacement. So I took the glove box out. We took two 10mm nuts out. We're just following the all data procedure here. Both kick trim underneath is off there. It's off here. Oh, damn it. My socket just fell in between the seat. Alright, so trim piece here. Just regular trim tool. Pop that out. And next we're taking up the center console. Let's continue. Well, alright, now that we're much further into the repair, we have the entire center console out. We have the trim there, and the trim here from the kick panel out. We also have a mounting bracket removed here. We have a mounting bolt removed from there. We also have a mounting bracket bolt removed there. So yeah, now we're up to taking the steering wheel out. So now here's a big tip. We do have the negative battery lead disconnected. We waited well, about 10-15 minutes. We took all this apart, so the SRS system is discharged. So now here's the biggest tip I can give you guys. Whenever you take a steering wheel off, try and mark it with a Sharpie. You see how I have a mark right there, and I also have a mark right there. There's two flat spots on the steering wheel, so that's where my marks correlate to. Very good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the bolt back in. We're going to give the steering wheel a good shake, and hopefully it'll come out. Hopefully. Well, that didn't work. Things have escalated, so now we got to get the puller out, and hopefully, just hopefully, this will work out. I had to modify my tool a little bit. I might just break my tool. I don't know. Let's keep going. Yeah, would you look at that? It worked. Very good. Nothing broken. Well, yeah. Well, alright. We're that much further, ladies and gentlemen. We have the entire steering column removed out of the vehicle. Here's the harness. I'm gonna leave the steering shaft actually in the vehicle. So now we're gonna refer to all data and yeah, look at the next step. Well, alright, we're yeah, much further in now. Column's completely out, cluster's out. Cluster had to come out because I have to take this bracket out right here to clear, so the dash can clear the column support. I believe I also have to take out all this HVAC controls and radio, but let's refer to the manual, RT FM. If you guys have to ask what the F stands for, you don't know. Alright, I love my job. I love my job. Let's stop it, man. Alright, I need two people. Alright.
We got a wire and harness.
We're still connected?
Yeah, oh yeah. This goes all the way back under the, that way.
What the f? Alright, you know what? Put the e-brake down. Put the down right the here.
Yeah.
That's where it's gonna stay. Alright, so now that we're ready to take the HVAC assembly out, what they don't tell you in all data is that there's a harness that comes through the firewall that goes to the wheel speed sensor and to the crash zone sensor. And you can't take the dash out without taking that out. Also, what else? There was something else. I forgot what I was going to say, but now we're pretty much ready to... Oh, things ready to fall out. Alright, we're ready to pull out. Kick it. Alright, is this going to work out? I don't think so. I think the dash is in the way.
Oh shit, we're out.
What? Oh shit, I'm going to get it out. Come on. Oh yeah. All right, we got it. We got it out in one piece. Very good. I think that's the heater core right there. Let's crack this case. Alright, so what we had to do here, now that we got the whole HVAC assembly out, we had to freaking split the case. So we got the evaporator core there, and we have the heater core over here. You can see this thing was leaking. Well, here's the old heater core right here. We got the failure right there. That's where it was pissing coolant into the HVAC box. We already got our brand new one installed. Torxes are in place here, there, and right there. So now we have to join it back together with the rest of the HVAC box. Very good. Well, alright guys, we got the pressure test going. We have the pressure test going before we put everything back together. Gotta make sure that new part is good. Screw that. We're at 18 psi and it's holding steady. Very good. Well, this is how far we have gotten so far. We're getting there. The dash is in and all mounted. Gotta get the steering column in. We got the blower and all the connections made over there. We got all of our connections made down there in the kick panel. This goes to our steering column. This guy right here is for the transmission and at the ignition. Alright, that's where that goes. This is going to connect there. I still got to install the center console, but we're starting to run out of hardware, which is a good thing. Let's continue. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is fixed. The Gugats has been fixed. AC is blowing cold, hot, heat is blowing hot. We performed the configuration of all the blend-door motors with the scan tool. We just went on a road test and we're back in the shop just doing a double check of everything. Coolant level is right where it needs to be. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.